Hey boys, PPI. Today I'm going to tell you my simple plan. If we do get higher than expected from the forecast numbers, we might see a small dump on our risk on assets like BTC, NASDAQ, and ES stocks. So just be careful because we do have a lot of poor lows below us on CME futures and on Coinbase. For Bybit, though, we only have one poor low at 107, but we have some single prints to cover below. So be careful with longs. But if we do get good numbers today, we might see Bitcoin pump, and Nasdaq has been holding quite pretty well. To I got long here last night around previous day open, so that's why I actually long Bitcoin too, because I saw Nasdaq and ES claim VWAP above, slowly grinding up, and I long our box level. So this was the long that I gave you guys from my videos. So if you are not subscribed yet, you're missing out big time. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I do have some links below. We got weeks, a ton of bonus, no KYC, Coinflare, $300 USDT, no KYC. We also got Bybit with massive bonuses. And if you do want to trade with a prop firm and trade with up to $300,000 capital, I do have some big discounts below. Use my link and codes FTCMOON and FTC Instant. So I am in a small long, boys. This was the long. I actually long last night. I told my Telegram channel. I said here that I am trying a long. So it did work. So I longed around here and I went to sleep and round tripped it, but I moved my stop to break even because I sized up and I was a little bit scared for the trade because it is a little, I didn't really like this lows, but Nasdaq and ES actually held, and there was like some war news in Doha and Israel last night. So I wanted to be careful with my trade because, to be honest, this is still the best trade right now. We take out this weekend lows and we pump. So I just very small size right now. I longed again, but this is still the best long I think locally. But you do have to be careful because if we lose this level, you don't see a swing failure pattern. This could get ugly, and we could finally take this ugly lows right here. But right now it is looking all right. You know, Stocks are holding. So I am anticipating a move up from Asia and New York to finally, this is like my target. Like we have some liquidity up here and here. We didn't even tap this. If you could see this on the last move up. So I'm keeping this level and this level open because that, like, my thesis is we get a new candle tonight to tap this liquidity right here. Let me just mark it out. Yeah, that liquidity. And then, you know, if we do get some numbers, we might even go higher and finally come to our two shorts up here at the golden pocket, 118K, and previous month open 115,700. So those are my levels. If you do want a long, I mean, this daily level and weekly open is just holding. You got VWAP there. I think also anchored VWAP. Let me see. Yeah, so you got your anchored VWAP right there. So it's a pretty strong level, in my opinion. That's why I am keeping my longs open. But if we don't hold here, I'm probably gonna try another one at the previous week EQ. But I need to see some strength and maybe an SFP or a clean sweep of this and then bounce. Something like this. If we do get a move down, something like that. So that is it for this video. Pretty simple plan for today. I am in a small long on the weeks account and on the prop firm. So I do hope we get a small pump or a new scandal today. So thank you, boys, for watching. Please subscribe, boys. Join the Telegram channel to get um, real time alerts on my trades. I keep you guys updated every day there. Okay, so links below for my affiliates. Thank you, boys. See you on the next one.